Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a review on the new Sting Unicorn 560 GB action gear point. Finally got this guy in Wave 2 action starters. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing part of this video, shall we? Okay, sorry about that. Here we go. Really excited for this guy. Okay. There we go. If you can't tell, there's the new background in my TV. I can actually do this and do some stuff with that. Oh god. There we go. No, not the box. Yeah, okay, that's not too bad. Won't be showing too much. Of course, I can toss the actual paper stuff away. Good. Okay. Here's the unicorn. I need to scan this. Yeah. Here's the QR code. Really nice to see. Here's the Takeo Tomy one. Let's get the 560. Here's the gear point. Okay. There we go. And there's the 560. Yeah, let's get into it, shall we? And part one, figure out who I want to battle. Let's give some sharks some love in this one. Yep. Battle between these two. Okay, there we go. Best of 4. Let's see how this goes. Choose 0. Four more. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.